This quick guide will show you how to activate rewards on your Discover card. Activating your 5% cashback rewards is essential to maximize the benefits from your Discover card, and it's a simple process that can be done online or via the mobile app. So let's dive right in and get those rewards activated. First things first, you'll need to log into your Discover account. You can do this either by visiting the Discover website on your computer or by using the Discover mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you might find it handy for managing your account on the go. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, look for the rewards section. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to cash back bonuses. Next, within the rewards section, you'll see an option to activate the 5 free cashback rewards for the current quarterly bonus categories. Look out for the button or link that says Activate Now. Click on this to proceed. It's important to note that Discover offers different bonus categories each quarter, and they require you to activate these bonuses to start earning the extra cashback. So make sure you know what categories are available for the current quarter and if they align with your spending habits. Timing is crucial when it comes to activating your rewards. You must activate the bonus rewards before the quarterly deadline to start earning those extra benefits. Once activated, the rewards will apply retroactively to the beginning of the quarter, meaning any purchases you've made in the bonus categories since the start of the quarter will count toward earning the 5% cashback. This is a great feature as it ensures you don't miss out on potential rewards if you activate a bit late in the quarter. And there you have it. Once you've clicked Activate Now, your cashback rewards will be active, and you'll be set to start earning those valuable cashback rewards on your purchases. Remember, this is something you'll need to do each quarter. So it's a good idea to set a reminder for yourself to activate the rewards as soon as the new quarter begins. By staying on top of this, you can ensure you're always getting the most from your Discover card. Happy shopping and enjoy those rewards.